When you invest through a platform like Raiz, your money is typically held in a structure designed to protect it even if the company itself were to go bankrupt. This is a common arrangement in the financial services industry, and it all comes down to a concept called custody. Raiz uses a custodian to hold your assets, which are primarily units in various exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and, in some portfolios, Bitcoin. These custodians are separate, independent, and highly regulated entities. For the ETF units and cash in the Raiz Invest Australia Fund, the custodian is Perpetual Corporate Trust Limited. For the Raiz Property Fund, the custodian is Sandhurst Trustees. For Bitcoin and related cash, the custodian is Gemini Trust Company, LLC. Because your investments are held by these independent custodians, they are legally segregated from Raiz operational assets. Simply put, Raiz does not hold your investments directly. They are just the administrator, the one that manages and executes the trades for you. If Raiz were to cease operations, the custodians would still hold the underlying assets on your behalf. Raiz creditors would have no legal claim on the funds and investments held in trust for its customers. In this scenario, a process would be triggered to return the value of your investments. The custodian would likely work with a regulatory body to sell the ETF units and other assets and return the cash value to your linked bank account. This process would certainly take time, and there might be a temporary inconvenience or delay in accessing your money while all accounts are sorted out and transferred. It's essential to remember that this protection is against the company's failure, not against investment losses. If your chosen portfolio loses value due to market conditions, which is a normal risk of investing, that loss is yours, regardless of Raiz solvency. The custodian model ensures that the assets are legally separate from Raiz. If Raiz goes under, your investment assets remain safe in the custody of third-party providers, ensuring your money is returned, although the process will require patience. Always refer to Raiz product disclosure statement for the most detailed information on the security and custody of your specific investments.